What's going on YouTube? Welcome to this new episode. So if you're looking to add your gift card to your Walmart account, be it online or through the Walmart app, you've landed on the right video. I'll be showing the steps that you need to take to make sure that everything goes on smoothly. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. Alright guys, so first off, before we go any further, it's good to understand what gift cards actually work at Walmart. Okay, to start with, you need to know that you can't use store brand gift cards at Walmart. For example, you cannot use store gift cards like Amazon at Walmart because Walmart might consider this as you using a direct competitor's gift card at their office, which won't be possible. So besides the Walmart gift cards that work already at Walmart, you can use gift cards like the Upload gift cards. When I talk of Upload gift cards, I mean these gift cards that can be used at any store or that isn't specific for a store. Let's take for example the Vanilla gift card. You can use a Vanilla Visa gift card anywhere Visa gift card, Visa payments are accepted. Okay, you can also do the same with the American Express gift cards or even the Discover gift cards. And also other gift cards that work with Walmart that aren't from the store itself are these brand gift cards that are sold through Walmart. For example, if you find an Apple, Xbox or PlayStation gift card sold within Walmart, you can purchase this gift card and actually use it to buy a PS5 controller or a PlayStation apparel within Walmart. Okay, so those are just the basic ways that you can use a gift card at Walmart, and it is very important that you know this before going further. Alright, as earlier mentioned, you can add a Walmart gift card either online or through the Walmart application. Note that the steps I'll be showing can also be used through the Walmart application, so you shouldn't be confused in any way. There might just be some slight changes, but you should find it kind of related. So first off, to add a gift card to your Walmart account, you need to go to the checkout and open the payment section. Okay, when you're shopping, you should see that payment section just right below there. Just want to click on it and select gift card. Now once you're there, you need to add the gift cards that you want to use for your Walmart purchases. Okay, as I mentioned, this gift card can either be a Walmart gift card, it can be an open loop gift card such as the Vanilla Visa gift cards or even the American Express gift cards, as long as it wasn't issued by another store like Amazon or Target or Best Buy, something of that sort. So after adding the gift card to your account, you just want to click save to save it as your payment method. Since you added this through the checkout, you should be able to use it anytime you want to purchase items with your gift card. Okay, and one thing that you should know is that you can consolidate up to five Walmart gift cards per order. So in case you're adding a Walmart gift card to your account, you can add and use up to 5 accounts to your Walmart payment. Okay, and also one other cool thing here is that you can consolidate this gift card payment with alongside other payment methods. For example, if the balance on your gift card isn't sufficient to cover the cost of a purchase, you can also use the funds that are attached or that are found on your debit card linked to your Walmart account. Okay, so Walmart will pull funds out of the other payment method that is linked to your account to complete your payments. So guys, this is how you get to add a gift card to your Walmart account through the Walmart app or online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. I'll catch you in the next episode.